So I made a kale wrap. Can you see? Smells delicious. I did that. I did that. Yeah, I did that. That is the bomb. I can only imagine with the avocado, but it went bad. This is so delicious. Make this. She did this. Do that. Since I don't have any lemon, I'm gonna use this apple cider vinegar. Then we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And most of you don't know I was a massage therapist. So you massage till it's nice and soft. So after you massage, you can see that it kind of shrunk. And I add my seasoning blend, my staple seasoning blend I use. Actually, let's add 2. And there we go. Now we're gonna mix this all in. Now we added the red peppers, scallions, and green onions. OMG, I tasted that. That right there tastes like heaven. Spread the vegan mayo out. So we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of this because it's vegan by accident. So, and this is bacon bits. Those made with soy. Here we go with the kale. Get more to the top because we want a little bit of crunch mixed in there. So I had an avocado, but it actually was not good. So we're gonna make it without the avocado, but I'm sure that would have been the bomb. Wrap it up in some wrap. And there goes the beauty. Ain't she beautiful? Yes, she is. Beautiful. Just beautiful as she wanna be.